Want to learn how to download and sign up for a Medium app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The initial process of creating an account on a Medium app is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Medium and search for this particular app. You can see that I do have an option of open on the top right corner, since I have already installed and downloaded it simultaneously. If you haven't done it yet, you can tap on install on the top right corner, which you will get an option instead of open, and make sure to install and download it. After that, you can go to the app quickly and tap on it to open it. You're on to the very first section of our Medium app. Here, you can sign up with Google, with Facebook, or with your email address. And if you do already have an account, you can tap on sign in. Since we are trying to create a new account, I want to create an account with an email address. So I'm going to tap on sign up with email. You can choose of your own. So here are the details that you need to fill. First is your full name, and then tap on this option below your email and enter your email address. When you're done doing both, tap on create account below. You can see that you need to check your inbox, since they had sent a link to our email address to get sign up. So I'm going to my email address and going to check it. You can do if you're on. So on the top you can see there is a notification from Medium app. So I'm going to tap on it. Scroll down, and now you can tap on create your account with this green background. You have an option of opening up with the Medium app or the web browser inside your phone. I'm going to open it up with Medium app. You can choose of your own. So you can see that first of all, we need to select at least 3 topics to personalize our story stream. I'm going to choose 3 of the topics that I'm interested in. You can choose of your own. When you're done choosing, you can tap on next on the top right corner. You can see that you have been welcomed and you can improve experience, since they have updated this app, and you can review who you are following to improve your home screen and recommendations. Tap on continue on the bottom. So now you need to choose what are you interested in again, so that they can add to or edit the topics that you follow. You can choose 3 or more here. I'm randomly going to choose 3 or more. You can choose of your own. When you're done choosing, tap on next on the bottom. You can see that even you can connect Twitter network on Medium, or you can skip this step right now. Choose of your own, just like this. Now you can follow people that you might be interested on. For that, you need to tap on follow next to their profile, just like this. So when you're done, tap on finish on the bottom. So you can see that you have successfully created an account on a Medium, and you can confirm it by tapping on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Alex Agil, that's my name. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account on a Medium app. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.